doing something.
I'm gonna get up there.
Look, you got a nice motorcycle. You got a nice motorcycle. And it's not even yours. You stole it. You stealer. Yeah, huh? There's a guy named Jesse.
He's my stepdad. He's my stepdad. This is his. I've been out before a couple of times.
You don't have a...
It's actually pretty fun.
Look at that sticker.
Just a
Bad times. Good times, bad times.
Yeah, it does say that. Good times and bad times.
Go videotape them fixing a car.
No. What are those? No, I'm just kidding.
Feet on your toes.
What the heck? There's toes on your feet.
Yeah, but it doesn't sound good.
There's Bubba.
Hey.
And then over there is my brother. And then right here is my phone.
My name is actually Sunny. Calls me Bubba. I break them legs, break them time, break your legs, break your legs, break them time, break your legs, break your legs, break them. Come on my back. Let's go film the next one.
My brother is right there. He just walked away.
Let's see if the next door neighbor kids.
Right here is Sunny.
Let's go videotape the next door kids.
Why?
Cause
Who wants to go videotape them?
Cause it's funny. Cause it's gonna be like, I'm watching YouTube and then maybe they'll find it. Chino, you wanna get on YouTube?
No.
Put them on YouTube.
I already did.
Oh, okay. Look at that from the toad. I'm chewing gum if you didn't notice.
I did.
But maybe they didn't.
And if you didn't notice, I'm cleaning the mirror.
Videotape my mom. Mommy, you wanna be on YouTube?
No, I don't want to be on YouTube.
So that you already are. Sunny, you're laughing. Squeeze me. Come on, Sunny.
Let's go put this on your door.
What's up, Grandma? Brother Bear? You're watching Brother Bear? What are those? We need to watch
the Disney princess.
we need to watch the Disney thing. The Disney thing. Shut the door. The
Actually, don't change it. She's watching this.
okay. Who?
No, Anthony's asleep. And my mom's outside.
Well, after this movie, we're watching the Nene. So we'll be right back, guys.